Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix iPhone when screen is zoomed in. A zoomed in iPhone screen is usually caused by the zoom accessibility feature. It can make everything appear enlarged and harder to navigate. You can quickly fix it using gestures or via settings. To begin, use the three fingers and double tap the screen. Then check if the screen zooms out to normal. If still zoomed, double tap again with three fingers. Drag with three fingers to move around the screen if needed. Now open the settings on your iPhone, tap Accessibility, select Zoom, then toggle Zoom to off. Go to the max zoom level. Here, adjust zoom level slider if needed. Turn off follow focus and disable zoom controller if it's enabled. Go back to the home screen, then restart your iPhone to apply changes. Then check if the display is back to normal. Tip: avoid triple tapping accidentally. These gestures turn zoom on again if left enabled. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.